video, we'll be going over each of Movo's wireless systems and how to pick the one that's right for you. We'll be comparing the similarities and the differences between each, showing you how they're set up, and also allowing you to hear how they sound. To begin, the WMX1 and Edge series feature a lavalier microphone with a windscreen, a wireless transmitter, and a dual-channel receiver. They can broadcast audio signals up to 200 feet away and support headphone monitoring. Beyond these similarities, there are also important distinctions between each system. The WMX1's receiver uses a 3.5mm TRS and TRRS input cables. Now, the TRS is ideal if you want to record with a DSLR camera, a laptop, and recorders, while the TRRS allows you to plug the receiver into certain smartphones. For the WMX1 series, Movo offers discounted adapters in the extra savings section here, and that allows you to use the system with Lightning phones, USB Type-C smartphones, USB computers, and Osmo Pocket devices. While the WMX1 receiver comes with 2 input cables, the Edge DI's receiver plugs directly into the Lightning port on compatible iPhones and iPads. As you can see, the Edge receiver is much more compact than the WMX1's, so if you plan to only record on a Lightning device, the Edge DI offers a low-profile alternative for your recording needs. Likewise, the Edge UC's receiver plugs directly into USB Type-C ports, common on many Android smartphones. So if you're shooting with a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, an iPad Pro, or another smart device with Type-C input, the Edge UC might be the choice for you. Now, this system also works with MacBooks and other laptops with Type-C ports. The Edge series smaller receivers also make them necessary for users of gimbals, as well as for smartphone camera rigs. Now, if you're a creator who's often recording on the go, the Edge is a system for you. Now, do you need to capture audio from more than one subject, such as a podcast or an interview? In that case, each of our wireless systems are also available in a duo configuration. The WMX1 Duo, the Edge DI Duo, and the Edge UC Duo all include a second set of microphones and transmitters. Knowing the right tools for the job is important, and now that you learn more about our products, you'll be able to make a much more informed decision about which microphone you want to go with. Go to the product description on this page and pick out the microphone that works best for you. So let's recap. Before purchasing, always check your device's port type to ensure it'll be compatible with your wireless system. In some cases, you'll need to purchase an additional discounted adapter in the extra savings section. If you want to record with a gimbal, you'll have to use one of the Edge series models. For more information on each microphone, be sure to check out the descriptions on their individual product pages.